Hello and welcome to the Summit Bicycles Tube Change Contest. Over here to the left, we have Chris, who's at a slight disadvantage due to some road rash, some battle scars. We've got our store manager, Ian, over here, second from the left. Second from the right, we've got Leslie, our store owner, guy with the most experience. And then we got our young know-it-all, Merrill, brand new to the Summit crew.
This kid can fix anything.
Anything he can fix. He knows everything. At least that's what he tells us. All right.
So we got all the same tires, all the same tubes, one tire iron, same pump, same wheels. So it's all equal and fair. And
You say go.
you say go and start the timer. Make sure time is.
Okay.
Last one.
Ready, set, go.
I'm eating one spoon.
Let's go, Merrill.
Go Merrill! Go Merrill! Go Merrill!
Well, it looks like Ian and Les are neck and neck. Come on, Chris, you gotta step this up.
Oh, don't worry, their pump is gonna fail. I sabotaged it.
Uh-oh, Les. Ian's gaining ground.
Pinch it, Merrill. Don't pinch it.
I'm nervous. Kid. I think you should be worried about pinching it, Ian.
Yeah.
And Les has jumped back into the lead.
Valve caps and nuts have to be on there.
I might plug my ears for this part, just in case. That is hilarious.
No freaking.
Valve nut, Les, valve nut.
You don't have to never valve.
Yeah, you do.
Hey!
I never use them. I hate them.
Done. What's the time? What's the time?
Time is 1:57.
Yeah. Nice. 110.
There you go.
201, 202.
Oh, just to remind you, I was this is bad.
How's it going, Merrill?
Yeah, I'm 15.
Come on, baby! Put some air in that tube so that shit.
Wait, you have to wait because one of those stars are gonna pop.
Who is?
That was close. That was so close.
What was the time?
1:57 for Ian.
Merrill. You're killing it, Merrill.
You're killing it, Merrill!
All right.
Yeah, push on that valve. Make sure the valve's
These
not
are
screwed.
super lights.
Push
Well,
on
somebody's gonna get a lucky super light.
Super lights? You gotta keep filming.
Oh, I'm still filming. My arm's just getting tired.
Timer's still going, right?
Oh yeah.
No, stand like that. Put it right there. Tuck the tube into the
Hey,
tire.
Les's valve stem is crooked. Oh, this kid was not.
You're jealous.
Classic blunder.
You forgot the valve nut.
I told you. We said it.
Just because you guys try and make. I don't know, who races with a valve nut?
Lance
All
does.
that added weight. No, baby, no. You're going like this, remember. You're working like this.
Alright, I think we got it.
We got it. Merrill, big hand for Merrill.
All right.
Merrill, high five there. Thanks, buddy.
Thanks for watching Summit Bicycles Tire Change Race.
This guy.